Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the 184-piece first aid kit. But this isn't just your average first aid kit, because this also features items that makes this a survival kit. Now, first of all, I love this case. It's that iconic red, so I can always see it when I need it. Plus, it's truly astounding to me that something so compact can hold almost 200 essential items. Now, as you open this up, you'll find that everything is neatly and individually packaged, making everything easy to find, especially in a case of emergency. Now, this has anything and everything you'll possibly need, like medical and regular tape, a pair of gloves, scissors, and an instant ice pack. And unlike other kits, this even has an emergency blanket and a raincoat. That makes this absolutely essential to take with you when you're hiking or camping. Not to mention the fact that this is lightweight and compact means that you can just throw this in with your other gear. Now, with everything this offers you, this is gonna be great to keep in the family's medicine cabinet. Plus, if you don't already have one of these in your car, you should think twice because you never know what kind of emergencies are gonna be thrown your way. Now, this kit has what you need to treat anything from minor cuts and scrapes to even more severe injuries and sprains. Now, because we have an incredible deal on this will be sure to sell out fast. So head on over to the site and get yours before it's too late.